what's up guys? Bruno here, Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Well, we got the back end now with the tail lights totally done. Thank God. Looks pretty good. It's not perfect on the fitment here with this trim, like I was saying, but she's looking pretty damn nice. So that's all done, and now I can move on to different things. I got the drive shaft, thanks to Norm, gave me a hand. My buddy Norm come in, gave me a hand today. Got the U-joints in this baby, and she's looking good. Got everything blasted. I kind of cleaned up the ends here, blasted everything, all the rust. Etch primed it. Tomorrow she'll be ready for just clean it up and then get this drive shaft painted and installed. And this thing here was a nightmare. I've never done one of these before. It's a little bit tough. You need two guys because there's a little like a little ball joint inside here in the center there, and it kind of fights you putting this one in here. You need somebody to put pressure on it, pull it forward, because there's like a spring in the middle there, and it doesn't line up the center of this cap perfectly with the race here. So yeah, it was a bit of doing, but we got it done anyways. So tomorrow that'll be the next thing, is get this thing painted and get that on the car. So yeah, and then I had to do a bit of a cleanup in the shop here today. Man, was it a mess in here. Still a bit of a mess, but it's coming along. I had so much stuff going on, stuff everywhere. Just sometimes you got to stop and do a bit of cleanup. So all right guys, I think that's about it for today. Really, that's worth putting on a video at this point anyways. So I'll probably just post this just for a little snippet here, and I will be back tomorrow. All right, talk to you later guys. Like, share, and subscribe, please. I need some teeth. I'm trying to get some teeth here. All right guys, talk to you later.